Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.
Hi everyone, welcome back to
Join
my
the gang. Let's
channel.
go.
If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's recipe, we are making plantain chips. You know, Christmas is at hand. You need to have snacks at home that you give to people when they come around to visit you or to greet you during this Xmas. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how you can make your plantain chips at home as snacks, and it's simple and easy to prepare. So join me, let's get started. So firstly, we're going to use the plantain. If you like ripe or unripe, all of them is good for this recipe. So let's get started. So firstly, you need plantain chips cutter and a knife to peel the back. So you need a bowl like this. So you start by peeling off the back of your plantain like this. Peeling off the back. Let's get started. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe, help your sister, support me now. Support your sister. And don't forget to like, give my video a thumbs up so that you too recognize it to other people. Leave me with a comment. I like reading your comments. It keeps me going, so don't forget to do that. And also, if you want me to prepare any snacks of your choice, so feel free and put it in the comment section. We are done peeling the back of the plantain, so the next stage is now we are going to start cutting it or slicing it. So I'm going to use the plantain chips cutter. So I'm going to show you two steps you can slice or cut your plantain chips. So the first step is this. When you get a knife, just divide it into two like this. So the now starts. You use this shape, this this blade like this part. So that's where you're going to use. So you start. Okay. Or you can use it to start up a side hustle. You know, if your house is located to office area, school area, you can make it and go and keep it there for them to buy. You make it cool cash or make it at home for this Xmas so that your visitors will see something to use and wind their mouths when they came to visit or when they come around to visit you. So guys, join me. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Push the button, push it. Alright. I'm going to show you another way or another method that you can as well make your plantain chips. That is, so guys, watch me as I do it. The same blade, the same side of this blade. So you just do it. Sorry. So when you get a whole of plantain like this, so you start like this. You see the way I'm doing it. Let me keep it separate so that you can see what I'm saying. Any shape that you prefer, you can as well use this cutter to do it. You can as well use your knife to finish up the remaining. You do see this shape. So you can as well do this shape. Be removing your hand or your finger because this thing is sharp so that you not cut your hand. So we are almost done. We are getting there. So this is the last one. Did you see this shape? And look at another shape. So any which way, the choice is yours. So you can make one for your family to enjoy. All right, let's go into frying a section of it. Thank you. So firstly, I'm going to light the gas. So, so I've put the gas on. So I'm going to put my pan on the fire. Then I'll add in groundnut oil. So groundnut oil. So I'll allow it to heat. Remember, you're going to fry it on a medium heat, not too high, not hot. So okay, the oil I've heated. So for like 5 minutes, I'm going to start adding the chips. So I'm adding the chips right now. So as you're frying it, try to scatter it. Some have gone together to each other. So I'm trying to scatter it while it's still on the oil. So you stir it once a while, come around and stir it and allow it to cook. So as you can see, it's getting ready. Alright. So when the crunchiness is nice, did you see now? It's crunchy. Ouch. So you then remove it from the oil. This, are you seeing the sound? It's already making sound already. So it's crunchy. So that's why I say you should fry it on a medium heat so that it will cook very well, to fry very well. Don't forget to add in your sugar while it's still hot. So let's fry it. As you can see, this one is getting ready too. It's getting ready. So this one is already, it's done already. So I'm going to remove it. So once you remove it from the oil, try to put either salt or sugar. So I'm going to remove it from the oil. The first batch of this set of, as you can see, it's crunchy, juicy. It's crunchy, so I'm going to remove it from the oil. Okay, this second bag is also good to go. You see, so this one is also ready. So I'm gonna remove it from the oil. This is the last batch. I'm going to remove it from the oil. Okay, guys, we are done frying the plantain chips. So look at the outcome. Are you seeing it? Is it not yummy? It looks amazing and the taste is wow. Don't forget to give this recipe a try at home and thank me later. You can make it for your children at home as snacks and also for this Xmas for your friends and your family members. So guys, we are going and see the other shape of it. Is it not yummy? It looks yummy and it looks amazing. Please guys, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me with a comment, like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? This December I got it back, so I'm going to show you how you can make different types of snacks. So don't forget to subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate you guys for always stopping by. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hey Joe, please, I beg. Help your sister, support my channel. Thank you all for watching. So I'm going to show you how you can package it. So stay with me. Yeah, I have container and I also have a Ziploc bag. You can store it in a Ziploc bag. So again for side hustle, if you want to use it to start up a small scale of business, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So stay with me. You can get this nylon at the market. I think it has sizes, so and it's not even costly. I think it's like 250 or thereabouts. So you now package it. So if you like, you can make your own sticker with your own company name. So start adding it little by little, depending on the size, depending on the amount that you want to sell it. So that is it. You know they used to tie it 100 naira. I don't know whether they still have 50 naira plantain chips. I don't know. So I think it's 100 naira. So this one, I think that's the normal size. Then you clip it. That's it. So if you have your own sticker or your business name, you can just place it here. Business, cool business indeed. Okay. For this long one, you can get longer than those, or, or you can put it in container there. You can make your own business. Did you see? So that is it for family snacks for children. You can get this small nylon like this. You can get small nylon like this.
I mean, stop. She's saying bobo.
Go and come. So you can get a small nylon like this. So after frying, you can tie it up and keep it inside the big nylon. And keep it in a dry place. You now be giving it out to your children every morning when they are about to go to school. Give them one. That's it. Snacks. And this one now is healthy because it's you that prepare it by yourself. So you know how you make it. It's hygiene. So that is it. You can make some or use it to start up a side hustle. Did you see? So now your sticker remain now. Or you can even be selling it without your business name or sticker. That is it. So but this I want to put it inside this container. So I want to store it in this container for my family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook as Mass Food and Confectionaries. Like, share, and leave me with a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.